Greetings, everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here we are talking about the world of opulent luxury interior design. Today, we embark on a captivating design journey, unveiling 7 exquisite living room interiors that epitomize the essence of modern elegance. In this design tour, we immerse ourselves in the realm of contemporary American living, where luxury takes center stage amidst the upscale suburbs of New York. Each living room unveils a symphony of sophistication, where comfort and style coalesce seamlessly. As we navigate through these breathtaking spaces, you'll witness meticulously curated furniture arrangements. Plush sofas invite relaxation, while stylish coffee tables stand as statement pieces. The wall decor captivates the eye, showcasing a fusion of artistry and finesse. A neutral color palette serves as the canvas, punctuated by daring splashes of vibrant accents that reflect the vibrant pulse of the Big Apple. These designs resonate with the aspirations of upper-middle-class families, portraying living rooms that transcend ordinary into extraordinary. Every corner exudes a sense of timeless charm seamlessly blended with contemporary elements, harmonizing the modern allure of New York City with the warmth of suburban living. The result is a collection of living spaces that redefine luxury and comfort, encapsulating the very heart of the New York suburbs. From plush furnishings to captivating wall art, this tour is a testament to the skillful fusion of elements that create living spaces brimming with opulence. Join us as we unravel the stories behind these designs, unveiling the artistry, inspiration, and innovation that redefine luxury living. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring design content.